Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. Let me turn my computer just a smidge. There we go. Let's start with blending. We're blending syllables this week. So I'm going to say each word part. You repeat the word parts and then we'll blend the word together, okay? Here we go. Sunlight. Sunlight. Responsible. Responsible, good. Bedtime. Bedtime. Wonderful. Wonderful. Sleepy. Sleepy. Skyscraper. Skyscraper. Anteater. Anteater. Nice work. All right, now we're going to segment syllables. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to clap out the word parts or the syllables. Bedtime. Bedtime. 2 syllables. Princess. Princess. 2 syllables again. Someone. Someone. 2 syllables again. Separate. Separate. 3 syllables. Vacation. Vacation. 3 syllables again. Last one, porcupine. Say that word again. We'll slow it down. Porcupine. Here we go. We're going to clap it. Porcupine. I know some people say pork. I got to think how I say porcupine. I say porcupine. Porcupine. Some friends say porcupine. And some say porcupine. So however you say it, still 3 syllables. All right, let's do some vowel substitution. So we're substituting medial vowels. That means the vowel that's in the middle of the word or at the top of the roller coaster when we roller coaster a word. The word is not. Change ah to eh. Net. The word is dim. Change I to I. Dime. The word is set. Change eh to e. Seat. The word is tune. Change u to a. Ton. The word is main. Change a to a. Man. The word is beat. Change e to o. Boat. Good. All right. Okay, now we are going to add prefixes. So we're going to start with the word. We're going to add we're going to start with the word and we're going to add a prefix to the beginning of the word, a word part, to make a new word. The word is sure. Add un to the beginning. Unsure. The word is real. Add un to the beginning. Unreal. The word is start. Add re to the beginning. Restart. The word is wind. Sorry, I had to read. The word is wind. Add re to the beginning. Rewind. Good. Now we are going to delete or remove suffixes. So we have our word and we're going to remove the ending word part. The word is giving. Without ing, the word is give. The word is turning. Without ing, the word is turn. The word is showing. Without ing, the word is show. The word is words. Without s, the word is word. The word is classes. Without s, the word is class. The word is arms. Without s, the word is arm. Nice job.